Hey what up guys, Jeff from AGL Tech, and today I'm going to be reviewing my PC. Now I'm keeping some of my components. I'm keeping my Spec 2Ks, I'm keeping my 3 fans, keeping my 2 SSDs, my 600 watt power supply, and last but not least my 2 gig 960 from EVGA. Now in this case I suggest a 1060, bringing the price around to $1,155. But now it's your choice, your PC. It's just hard to find a 960 2GB not used, and I want to buy used graphics cards to be honest. And then I'm going to be getting, this is my new stuff now, I'm getting a Ryzen 7 1700. I'm using a stock cooler. I'll be getting 16 gigs of Vengeance LED RAM, and a new motherboard, a GA AB 350 gaming gigabyte motherboard. And let's start the time lapse.
Moving like a time continuum, ready to join, come for a run. Can you feel the beat drop to your feet, where I feel alive? Breathe in the energy, can't stop me now. Breathe in the remedy, feel it running through my veins.
If you like this video, give it a like, hit subscribe, and also check out TNG. I give a huge shout out to him for helping us with our channel. And there will be some benchmarks soon, and we'll see you all in the next one.